Okay, here we are with another quick tutorial. This time we will do something I think is funny. We will open a web server inside Unreal Engine with Python and send some command on the web server and change something in Unreal. It will be just an example. So let's do it. Okay, so let's use Flask to start the web server. So import the package Flask, and then import the emit data package from Yothon to send out the value of a string to Unreal Engine. Define the app. I suppose that you already know Flask, and let's define this single string. This string now it's empty, but later we will change the value using a root in Flask. So the browser will connect to the web browser on slash, and this will change a function that we are now defining. In the function we will use the global, don't miss that, the global yth underscore str variable. We will set the this value to hello Yothon and send out through the data ready now pin. We will do this calling the send to UE function and return to the browser simply an OK to check that everything is fine. Okay, this will change the value, send the value out to Unreal when a browser connects to the web server from Flask. Okay, let's run the app and save this as a file somewhere in the slash, like flask run.py. Okay, that's it. Now we have to change if the plugins are okay. We want to use the 3D text and Yothon. So Yothon is okay, it's already enabled, and we'll use the 3D text 3D, maybe 3D. Okay, text 3D, it's already enabled. If you enable, you have to restart Unreal Engine. After this, you just check that the Python interpreter is running. Don't pay attention to the yellow line just because I am using a test version. And after this, I can add a 3D text on the scene. You can see, you just make it a little bigger, and now the text of this object is text, and this is what we are going to change, simply connecting with our browser to the web server that will be running in Unreal. So let's do this. Let's put it in some way we can see the changing. Okay, a little bit rotated, and let's open the level blueprint. Okay, so now we want to pressing the Z key, we want to start the web server. So we will use the Yothon thread script node, and we will get the output is a single value, single string, so we will split just what we need, and the string will be set some in the text of the of this object. Okay, so we have a reference of the 3D text actor, and we want to get the right component. That is the should be the this one. Okay, so now we have a link. We can get a copy. This is the first one. There is only one component, and this one has a text, and we will set the value of text. Okay, when the data ready now is fired, the text will be changed, and we will this using starting the let's compile and save, starting the web server, pressing the Z key. So let's do it. Let's check just if okay, we forgot the script. It was in the slash run Flask run.py. Okay, everything seems okay. We are ready to okay. We should see that now the web server is running. Let's go a little bit closer to our text, and now we start a browser. Okay, and point our browser to our local web server, that is localhost. This is the default for Flask, and 5000. Okay, as soon as we connect, you can see the changing of the 3D text, yellow Yothon now, and the OK from Flask app. Okay, you have seen that it's not really hard to exchange information data with Unreal Engine, going through Yothon and obviously Python, in this case a web server, but you can imagine something different. Thank you. If you have a suggestion, something, questions, whatever, go to our Discord server, and thank you for listening. Bye.